Did you know that a koala's fingerprints are so similar to human fingerprints that they could potentially confuse forensic investigators? It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. When scientists examined koala fingerprints under a microscope, they discovered that the ridges, loops, and whorls are almost identical to those found on human fingers. In fact, the similarities are so striking that distinguishing between the two can be extremely difficult without careful analysis. What's even more surprising is that koalas are not closely related to humans at all. Humans are primates, while koalas are marsupials, a group of mammals that carry and raise their young in a pouch. The evolutionary paths of these two species separated tens of millions of years ago. So how did they end up with such similar fingerprints? Scientists believe this is an example of convergent evolution. This occurs when unrelated species independently develop similar traits because they face similar challenges in their environments. For humans, fingerprints help us grip objects and manipulate tools. Koalas, on the other hand, spend most of their lives climbing trees. Their fingerprints provide extra grip when grasping branches and navigating through eucalyptus forests. The resemblance became so famous that researchers joked that a koala wandering through a crime scene could leave fingerprints that might puzzle investigators. While modern forensic techniques can usually distinguish between human and koala prints, the similarity remains one of nature's most astonishing coincidences. Koalas are among only a handful of animals known to possess fingerprints. Some primates, such as chimpanzees and gorillas, have them too, which isn't surprising because they are closely related to humans. But koalas stand out because they evolved this feature completely independently. And the fingerprint mystery isn't the only unusual thing about koalas. Koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day because their eucalyptus leaf diet provides very little energy. They also have one of the smallest brain-to-body ratios among mammals, yet they are perfectly adapted for life in the treetops. So the next time you see a koala lazily hugging a tree, remember that hidden on its tiny paws is something remarkably human, a set of fingerprints so similar to yours that they once raised concerns among forensic scientists. Nature never stops finding ways to surprise us. Did you know this fact about koalas? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts from around the world.